Okay, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I like blinked. I am currently in the DR and I was like, I want to film a little quick get ready with me. I'm not gonna get like super ready. I wanted to do my makeup like full out, but honestly I've been doing my makeup full out for the past like 5 days that we've been here. I'm just like tired, so I'm gonna just do a little like vacation makeup, and I have eyelash extensions, so you know, make it work. Okay, so I already primed my skin using my favorite primer, which is the Bear With Me primer by NYX. It looks like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead, because I primed 2 times. I don't know, I like having a super like sticky base, but I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys, oh my god, freaking have PTSD because the gems that I had on my eyes. So I did an eye look yesterday and I had gems like all over my face, so I was laying down like just taking off the gems, and tell me why like one of them falls in my freaking ear and it's stuck in there right now. I literally just can't even do anything about it because I'm not home. I leave tomorrow though, so we'll do that. And 2 of my nails broke off, but I'm gonna glue them back on. Do not play with me. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off. You guys, my ear is literally like muffled, like it's so bad. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury and then kind of just apply a little layer over my face, so I just have a kind of a base. This is supposed to be used as a primer, so I'm gonna just do that. La Gucci La Dida. And I'm a little tanner, so hopefully this works out and the makeup looks good. Oh wow, it's really orange. It looks orangey on camera, but I swear it does not look like that. I don't know, I've never rubbed it with my fingers before, but it's because I didn't wash my beauty blender. Whatever, I'm gonna just spray it. Don't do that. Make sure you guys always wash your beauty blender. I always wash mine, but I'm just so lazy right now to get up and do that. So I'm gonna just spray it and I'm gonna bounce that into my skin. You can't really tell, but I have a little layer covering my face, and then I'm gonna go in with concealer. I think I'm gonna stick to like cream products today, just because that gives you the more like natural glowy, like I'm sunburnt vacation vibes. I'm gonna do a little bit of the e.l.f. concealer in light beige and take a little bit and then just kind of conceal under my eyes, and then like my more like pimply spots, so that see a lot of that. I'm gonna bounce that in just super lightly so that the concealer is staying in place. I have so much redness on my cheeks, and it's not even because I'm sunburnt, it's just because I've always had redness. It's like from my scars. You guys, I feel like I'm talking so loud, but it's probably because my ear is freaking muffled that I can't hear nothing. Oh, sorry, I'm looking here. This is because my mirror is here. And then I'm gonna just go ahead with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I'm gonna just go ahead and bronze. I wanted to do my hair down, you guys, but honestly, I have no freaking time for that. Dude, it's so like watery that it like comes out. I don't even know how. Like, so I'm gonna let that sit in a little bit. Okay, so I have this in the places that I'm gonna contour. I didn't put it on my nose, but it looks really dark on camera, but when you blend it out, it looks a little nicer. So I'm gonna take the beauty blender and blend that out. It just gives you like a nice bronze to the skin. It looks like I'm wearing no makeup. Whoa. Oh, I look like that. Why it look like that? I'm gonna spray this again. And then just trying to keep it in the same place so that it looks nice. The bronzer is now in, and then I'm gonna go in and go with the Glowgasm by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the blush, and then kind of just put that everywhere. I want to look like I'm sunburnt and not wearing makeup, so I'll put that on my nose as well. My nose is a little naturally sunburnt, but boom, put that a little bit right there. So these are the places that I, wow, these colors are looking amazing on camera. Wow, I look like I just got, I don't know, but I'm blending that out now. Okay, so this is the makeup so far. I'm gonna go ahead and set a little bit with the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. Y'all, it's giving up on me. I'm obsessed with this powder. This is the powder I use literally every day. Does it look crazy on camera? I literally like, wow, why does it look like that? I cannot tell because it doesn't look like that on my face, but I'm just gonna go ahead and set a little bit. This is where I'm like most oily, so like my forehead a little bit right there, and then under my eyes. And I'm using the Maven Beauty Brush in Detailed Highlighter. Just set that right there as well. Still trying to keep that glow in the skin. I've never done my makeup this way, so this is my first time trying it out with you guys. I'm going around right here because I get really oily right here. So that's how it looks all set in. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put on a little bit of bronzer. Not too much because I don't want it to look too dark. Actually, gonna go back. Oh, I'm a freaking dumbass. What was I even thinking? I'm gonna go ahead with the Charlotte Tilbury powder again, and I'm gonna just set a little bit right here because I don't know who I think I am, trying to be like a glowy queen when I simply cannot. Okay. You guys, this trip, I feel like we've been lazy. We've been freaking lazy. We have not had a beach day, which I'm upset about, but we're going to make up for it, I swear. I still had so much fun. We went on this thing. It was like an excursion trip, and y'all, every time I freaking talk, my ears are like muffled. It was like this excursion trip, and we did zip lining, like these doogie things, boogie. And then we did bungee jumping, and we did safari trip, and it took us to like this little village, and it's so cool because it's a population of 10 people. And they made us hot chocolate. No, not hot. Was it hot chocolate? Well, it was hot chocolate. It was like melted chocolate because it wasn't a drink. I don't know. But they made us chocolate from scratch, and then drank Mama Juana, which is like a Dominican drink, and they made it there, which is so cool. I'm now going in with the Dior blush to kind of just set that blush as well that I put on. This is so pretty. Look at it. You can see, I don't know if it's focused, but the Dior blush, this is in the shade 001 pink. This light doesn't show me the real me, so then when I see myself in other lighting, I'm like, bro, why do I look like that? I'm gonna highlight my face. I'm gonna go ahead and take this highlighter. This is the GRWM highlighter in Molten Gold, and I use this for just my nose. Okay, so I take a little highlighter brush, and I'm gonna go in with the Molten Gold, and I'm gonna just highlight my nose. Just a little dot there, a little line here. And now I'm gonna go in with a different highlighter. This is the Fenty highlighter in How Many Carats. This highlighter is freaking beautiful. It's more of like a glitter highlighter, but it's so freaking pretty. This is the only thing I've been using since I got it. If I can just fucking open it. It looks like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and glitter up. And then I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I'm gonna just fill them in a little bit using the Brow Ultra Slim. I tried my best to tan, you guys, but it's like we're such the type of people that we cannot be outside for like more than an hour. Like we want to go inside, and it's just so annoying because we need to be out there to tan and catch a nice beautiful tan. That's how my eyebrows are gonna look. I'm gonna go ahead with I'm gonna use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit, and I'm gonna just go ahead and set the brows up, combing them up like that. I'm gonna go ahead with this bronzer and just put a little bit on my eyelid. I'm going in with this J-Cat Beauty, the big eye pencil, a white shimmery like shade, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Putting that in my inner corner so it makes my eyes pop a little bit. Hey, make sure y'all go check out the Instagram because I've been flicking for you guys and getting ready, and I'd be lazy. I think this is the fastest makeup look I've ever done in my life. And let's see, comb them out with me, you guys. Right here, you see this is like giving out right here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips because that's literally the last thing. Wow, I'm actually so proud. You guys, so I went to go look in the other lighting and I feel like I look a little funky. So I'm gonna do my lips using the Fresh by Laura Mercier. This is such a like hot pink color. And then just... I'm going with this Maybelline lipstick in the shade 015, Born With It. And then go in the middle. Then once I'm done with my hair and everything, I'm gonna put on the Kylie lip gloss because I don't want the lip gloss to go away while I'm not leaving it, you get me? I want it to last me. So that is it for the makeup look. This is how it looks. My skin is glowing. I don't know how I feel about it. Maybe I have to get used to it. I'm gonna take you guys to do my hair. That's how it looks in different lighting. It looks pretty good. So I'm gonna just do a slick back bun. Take this all off. I feel so good. You guys know that feeling? You guys, when I hit my head, I can hear like that shit feels so weird. I look crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and just brush this out. I'm going with the gel. I use the Eco Gel. I had a freaking hairspray and I cannot find it anymore. I'm gonna go in with a brush and start just gelling my hair back. I think I'm gonna do like this super. I did it yesterday. It was like a bun. Like a spiky bun, and everybody was making fun of me because they're like, why do you have those little hairs just sticking out? It's like, girl, bye. If you don't know hairstyles, just say that. But once my hair is up and like slicked back, I'll come back. Okay guys, I'm lying. I ended up doing a higher bun because I'm gonna put a flower in my hair. So I'm gonna just take the rest of my hair and wrap it around my head. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with some bobby pins. Oh my god, look at this Real Technique sponge I got. Just like their Valentine's Day collection. It says wild at heart, but it's cute. I'm gonna go in with this little brush. My friend Victoria gave this to me when she did my wig, and I'm gonna just slick everything. I'm gonna take my bobby pins and just bobby pin any place that needs to be bobby pinned. So like right here, I have like hair sticking out. Okay, so hair is done. I'm basically ready. I just need to change, put on jewelry and stuff. I'm gonna put this flower in my hair. So, oh wait, how would I even do that? Because I have a bun on. That makes no sense. To like put it inside the bun. Oh, this is how the finished hair looks. I just put the little bun right there. I think it looks cute. I'm hoping it doesn't look stupid. They're like, oh, where'd you get that flower from? Like, I picked it off the wall. So I cut it a little bit more. So I'm hoping now it like works a little bit and it looks a little more in. Probably looks the same to you guys. I feel like it made a little bit of a difference. So this is the finished hair after I put the little flower in. I'm gonna go ahead and change and I'll come back when I'm ready and show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so I'm ready. I don't know if you guys can see me, the lighting's kind of bad, but this is my outfit. It's from, not giving them free promo, but it's from Shein. And you guys can see my nice little tan lines a little bit. I try to tan a little bit, but then I have the flower in my hair. I took off my necklace and I put on these gold hoops. So yeah, I just have some black sandals, and I love the slit, and it's like long right here. It's just pretty. I like it. I'll show you guys in the mirror. I have my hair done. I have the dress on. It's so pretty. It's brown, and then I have my sandals. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little fast get ready with me in the DR, and I'm gonna try to do one every time we travel, so it's like, you know, I don't know. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at DesixMex to see all my fit posts. Okay, bye. I love you guys.